Hello and welcome back to another video. This is Skylock, and I have my pizza. I don't want to eat it yet because I'm gonna sell it. Let's see what the baker has for a second. Okay, it does not have pizza. So, oh yeah, I have been on this before, and I was recording and I figured out that I wasn't recording, and I accidentally did this. Well, I didn't accidentally, but I did this. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. And I told everybody about the scams I did with the onion totem and the onion seeds. And I did this little gadget over here too. And wow, that's a lot. So let me collect this and I'll tell you about the rest. So I hate it right here because I hate it right here because these the ore just drops right between the conveyor and the glass panes. But right here used to be like I think this was an iron conveyor, a coal conveyor, and a stone conveyor. I don't have clay yet. I don't know what clay is even for. I mean, I think it's for the coloring bench or the coloring station. I don't really know. Anyway, so there's just a lone oven here. Anyway, so yeah, I was expanding my island, and I did this hill over here, and I did that over here. This right here. It's where these fall down and they go into the stairs. But the stairs, they move faster than the conveyor belts. So you go see, look at that. They move way faster than the conveyor belts. It's crazy. It's actually pretty cool. And so in this episode, this is episode 1 technically, but I have done some stuff anyway. So this is episode 1, and I'll try to keep doing the episodes and stuff, but I think today we're just gonna expand our land and maybe expand this where it doesn't look like this. Where it doesn't look like that up there. Where it doesn't look like this right here. I will try to make this more into like a mountain. So okay. So I wanted to say that I got inspiration from my brother. His channel is in my description. I got inspiration from him from a long time ago, and I've always wanted to do like a YouTube video or something like that, just like my brother, just to be like him. But we got limited time now because of this quarantine. So I don't really have a lot of time to play because our parents gave us more chores than before. So I'll try to do in these maybe a video every week, not even more if I can. But yeah, it's just been really busy lately, and I know this is my first video, and first videos are usually really cringy. So I'm gonna try to not make this really cringy. I just am a lost of words. I'm always a lost of words. Sometimes I don't know what to say. Sometimes I'm too scared to say them. I can't even start conversations, let alone me. And you know what? Let me get a cold totem. A clay totem. Anyway, so that's a little bit about me. Ooh, iron. But, even though I have enough iron, I'll still take it, because it's free iron. Anyway, so, what am I picking up now? Oh, still iron. So, anyway, for this quarantine, it's been really lonely, and I couldn't really have any friends over, because their parents are either too, they are cautious about it, or they just want more family time, which I would assume that they're more cautious about it, because it's dangerous, but if you take the right precautions, then it's not too dangerous, but it's still dangerous. Let's see, how much iron do I have? Oh boy, I almost have 1,000. Yes. And, so I'm gonna try to do that, do the videos once every week at least. And I might try out different games that you suggest if you're watching this, and everything like that. So yeah, this is a lot of iron. The one thing I like about Skyblock is because people usually drop free things, but some people scam you. And two times actually, I got scammed from, I guess, a pink sticky gear and an iron totem. 6,000 coins. And then my other one, I got scammed on an onion totem and 60 onion seeds. So let me tell you about them. So my friend, he's on Roblox. He lended me a pink sticky gear because he had two, and we needed a smelter, both of us. So he lended me a pink sticky gear, and I was like, okay, I'll try. If it's a scam, I'll try to keep pink sticky gear. And he was like, okay, I trust you. And I was like, okay, I will try to do my best. And so he gave me the pink sticky gear. He gave me the pink sticky gear, and I lost it. I feel so bad. Well, I didn't lose it, but this guy, I gave him 6,000 my coins and that pink sticky gear. And those pink sticky gears are hard to get. And so I gave him that, and he left. And I felt so bad. It really broke my heart, actually. Scams are not fun at all. Another one was not too bad, but it scammed me of an iron totem and 60 onion totem and 60 onion seeds. And I was like, okay, that's fine, because I got another onion totem and I kept some of the seeds, and I could just restart, I said. And so I did that, and he left. not fun at all. If you take my advice, do not scam. Be truth about it. Like, be truthful about it. It's not fun. If you were ever in a scam, I know how you feel, and I'm really sorry about that, but just, some people are selfish. I mean, it's no fun. It's really no fun. Anyway, back to this. I need to connect this. I need to connect this land to this hill. And it might take a while. So I'll come back when I'm done. Okay, we are done with the mountains, or the hills. And we've gotten this. Me and Wolf. She's right here. If she would just stay still. Here, wait. I'm gonna see if she'll stay still for a little bit. She's right here with her wannabe dragon. Her wannabe dragon or bandana. She's like a sister. Me and her dress alike, as you can see. Hello. So far we have gotten this covered. Oh, and I added more to it. So this is the full shot. See, when you have stairs, they go down tons more quicker. So that's what we have. I'm gonna add some totems over here and stuff like that. But this side of the hill, we still need to finish. It takes so much grass to do it. It's crazy. Anyway, so I think it took a good, like, tons of onions. It took like maybe 12,000 coins so far to get as much grass as we need. But yeah, Wolf was willing to help me, and I'll link her channel down below. She just started as well as me. So, oh, she needs more grass. I need to get some badly. Like, really bad. See, I only have 268 coins. Okay, I have a good amount of onions. Let's sell them. And then we could get some more grass. Oh, we have some berries and onions. Cool, that will help us a lot. Let's get a total of 300. There's 1. There's 2. 3. Well, maybe 400. Okay. See, there's another. Oh boy. People want to build stuff on my island. I think it's because they know I'm recording. Okay, let's put some grass in the chest for Wolf. There we go. That should be enough. Now let's continue building. Okay. I'll see you when we're done finishing the rest of the hills. Okay, guys, we have finished the mountains / hills, and it doesn't look too bad. It actually looks really cool. I'm really glad about it. Of course, Wolf helped me again. She's really nice. She's like the kindest girl I know. And we planted a few trees around to make it look like more foresty, and we changed the house, as you can see. So we were sort of sick and tired of like the regular house, so we decided to change it like that. So we decided to change it like this. And so we're leading up here. The ladder that leads up here. I hate this. I actually sort of like it, but I hate it. And then we might do something up here later. but I just think it's a pretty cool spot to be. We might like do a little house right here, and then right over here be the balcony, or right over here in this corner be the balcony, but I don't know just yet. So I've done more, or me and Wolf are gonna do more later, and I really appreciate Wolf's help. It really helps a lot. I don't think she knows how much it helps. Anyway, so we should end this video here. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're watching with your friends, just remember that friends are awesome and friends are cool. Well, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye. Bye.